Hi, I'm Scott Hooper, one of the managers here at Greensboro Auto Center, and today we're going to talk about Select Plus. Select Plus is a program that takes care of a number of different options for you. The program will cover paintless dent removal, so if you get any dings or dents in the side panel of the vehicle, the program will pay for that. It does cover tire and wheel repair, so if you run over a pothole, have a blowout, you have to replace the rims or tires, again the program will cover that. It also covers key replacement, so if you lose the keys or the key fob, have to have new keys cut or key fob reprogrammed, the program will take care of that for you also. And it does cover windshield repair, so if you get a crack or chip in the windshield, this program will cover that for you so you don't have to report that on your insurance. The Select Plus plan will cover the vehicle for up to 60 months, and there is no deductible if you ever have to use the plan.